Hey guys, Windows is gonna interview me for 4 minutes straight and they're gonna ask me about my life, so you guys can go ahead and watch this. Have you ever thought about making tech content? It's actually way easier than you think. Hi, this is TechJoyce. I started my journey on Windows. I am a content creator. I make tech, engineering, car, and DIY content. I was in high school. I started doing gaming. I did a bit of vlogging. And then over the summer of 2022, I was like, I want to try tech because I was just scrolling TikTok and I saw some people my age that were doing really well in tech. And I was like, I could probably do that. So at the time I had my Windows 10 gaming PC and I used that to edit everything. So I had all the tools I needed to start. And I was like, okay, let me just start by doing some tech reviews. I did keyboard reviews, monitor reviews, mouse reviews, and my first few videos blew up because people thought I was like really quirky and weird. And I was like a 15-year-old girl, which was new in the tech space. Most people were like guys. And then a few months later, I decided to do my first tech invention. I did a brother squirter device. Essentially, it would recognize my brother's face and then it would use a water gun to squirt him. And that got like 7 million views. So 7 million views was like, I'm famous, I'm actually viral, I'm famous. And then shortly after I got my first brand deal, and that's when I was like, okay, let me lock in and do this full time. So the Smart Light was actually a school project, but I made it into a video and I thought of the idea when my grandma was bedridden and she couldn't reach the light. So I was like, you know what, let me just make something like funny, but actually practical. People liked it because I said my crusty grandma, and then the other half liked it because it was like, oh, this is such a cool project and a girl's doing it. So it's like, whoa, this is new. I try to have a good balance between funny and educational because I want to keep my audience engaged, but I also want to teach people something new and inspire people. At one point in my life, I was also the person behind the screen watching someone, so I want to make people feel the same way I did as a kid. The dumbest thing I've ever built is my car seat shocker. The video premise was my brother kept blocking my view when I was driving, so whenever his head was like close enough to a certain part of the car, it would shock the seat. Working with my brother is fun. I mean, I just shove a camera in his face, force him to say some lines, and he has to listen because I'm his sister. After that point, I started realizing like, oh, I should try something new because I've been doing these inventions for like over a year now. And that's when I started getting into like car content. So behind me is my setup. It's messy but organized in my head. If you ask me, oh, where are the metric wrenches? I'll be like, right there. My camera here, I have my tire because I just took it off. I'm fixing something on the car. There's always something new to do. Like there is a never ending. My favorite part is definitely near the end where everything's coming together and then you get to see your project fully fleshed out, working, beautiful, pretty. Just, oh. I started my journey on my dad's Windows 7 PC, and that's where I got introduced to YouTube. That really sparked my desire to create content myself. If I had to describe Windows in 5 words, it would be smart, beautiful, funny, charismatic, sexy, intelligent, inspiring, efficient, classy. And here we have my Windows editing PC, and this is where the real magic happens. This is where I take my footage, cut it up, and turn it into a masterpiece to give it to you guys. When I'm in my zone, I always have Microsoft Word on the side. This is where I read my script, do my voiceovers, and write down some notes I have. And then I have Excel. This is where I do my budgeting, my spreadsheets, anything related to accounting, bookkeeping. Everything is very easy and concise for me to use. And it's all in one place. So I have 2 setups right now and they're both Windows PCs. And realistically, who's gaming on any other operating system?
Boom! Let's freaking go!
My gaming setup and my editing setup are actually identical and I built them both myself. This is my gaming setup. As you can see, this is where I film, this is where I stream, and this is where the magic happens. The PC has the same specs as my editing room PC. It's running 32 gigs of RAM, a 4080, a 13700K, and of course, Windows operating system. I'm traveling a lot, so the Surface laptop has helped me work on the go. It's light, portable, fast, cool, awesome, sexy. What else? I started with a $500 Windows laptop, and that's where I learned to edit from, where I learned to make thumbnails. And a lot of you guys don't realize like everything is at the tip of your fingers. If you have a phone, if you have an old laptop, you can do anything. Get a Windows laptop.
That's clip it.